How to unlock an LG oven. If you have used the self-clean or easy clean cycles on your LG range, the oven door will remain locked until the unit's internal temperature returns to a safe level, after which it will unlock automatically. You should not try to open the oven door until the unit has cooled down and the lock symbol has disappeared from the display, or the words lockout are no longer on the display. However, if the oven has cooled, the lock symbol or lockout are no longer on the display, but the door still remains locked, you may need to manually disengage the lock. To manually disengage the oven lock, press and hold the clear/off key for 3 seconds. Please note that the lock feature key varies from model to model. On some models, it is the clear/off key, and on others, it is the lower oven key. We advise checking your product owner's manual for the specific key. If the stuck locking issue persists, then your oven may require a repair service. Please go to our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.